Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will compare Jeep Compass versus Peugeot 3008. We'll explore their key differences and help you decide which compact SUV might be the better fit for your lifestyle. The Jeep Compass is known for its adventurous spirit and robust design, while the Peugeot 3008 stands out with its sophisticated aesthetics and comfortable cabin. Let's dive into the details to see how these two popular models stack up against each other. When it comes to performance, the Jeep Compass generally provides a 2.0-liter turbocharged engine, delivering 200 horsepower and 221 pound-feet of torque. This is paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission and standard 4x4. The Peugeot 3008, on the other hand, often features a 1.2-liter petrol engine with 136 horsepower, or more powerful hybrid powertrains. While the Compass excels in off-road prowess, the 3008 is praised for its smooth and comfortable on-road driving experience. Inside, both SUVs offer comfortable seating for 5. The Jeep Compass boasts up to 59.8 cubic feet of cargo space with the rear seats folded and features an available 10.1-inch touchscreen infotainment system. The Peugeot 3008 provides 520 liters of boot space, expanding to 480 liters, and often includes a striking iCockpit design with a 21-inch panoramic curved display. Both vehicles prioritize connectivity and driver convenience with advanced technology. Considering value and reliability, the Jeep Compass typically earns a 4 out of 5 reliability rating from sources like RepairPal, with newer models showing improved dependability. The Peugeot 3008 generally receives average reliability scores, though its unique design and premium feel offer a different kind of value. Both come with standard warranties, but it's always wise to check specific terms. For other great deals, including those leak-proof meal prep containers, be sure to check the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.